You may want to remove your Schrader valve core, commonly known as the car-type valve, but you don't have the right tool. I'm going to give you a few solutions how to do it. Schrader valves are commonly used on bicycle inner tubes or tubeless valves. They're also used on air suspension and often used on car tyres. You may want to remove the valve core so you can either add or remove sealant, service your air suspension, or just simply to check it's tight and not leaking. So if you have the correct tool, you'd normally just take the tool like this and you would let the air out, fully out, and then you put the tool in and you twist. Remember, anti-clockwise to loosen, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Another option is you can use some thin needle nose pliers. You put them in, you twist, 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 and then it comes out. One of my favourite solutions is to use an old split pin. They come with lots of brakes like Shimano and all sorts of other ones. You just chop the end off so it's equal, and then you just put it around both sides of the core, and then what you do is just twist. If you need some more leverage, you can put another pin through the hole. I've also done a video on how to remove Presta valve cores without a tool, which is also pretty useful. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Cheers.